Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl host Nolaltia and I'm back with another video. So on today's video I'm going to be making buttercream, and that is gray and plain buttercream. So sit back, relax and enjoy my video. So on today's ingredient you're going to need 1 cup of margarine, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, can be colorless or dark, color cream, a 1/4 cup of milk, and 700 grams of icing sugar. So on to the first step, you're going to add 1 cup of margarine in a bowl, as you can see on what I'm doing in the video. Then secondly, you're going to beat with the hand mixer till fluffy and soft. After the margarine or the buttercream has turned white or it's soft and fluffy, you're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. It can be colorless or the dark color. Then you're going to mix your 2 ingredients all together. After that, you're going to mix using your silicone spoon as you continue to beat your 2 ingredients till fluffy and soft. After that, you're going to add the icing little by little while mixing till soft. If the cream is dry, you're going to add a little of milk, little by little, until it becomes soft. If it's dry and stiff, add margarine and milk or buttercream, which is unsalted, but I'm not going to add anything because my cream will be soft. It's going to be soft. Or you can also add whipping cream to make it more nice and more tasty, but I'm not going to do that because I don't have all the ingredients right now. And my plain buttercream is ready, as you can see in the video. It looks nice. So when making colors in creams, as you can see in the video, that what I did, I made a vanilla buttercream first, and later on I'm going to divide the plain cream into 2 containers or into 2 bowls, as you can see in the video, and later on I'm going to add 1 color just to change the appearance of the creams, as you can see on what I'm doing in the video. So here we are, we're going to add 2 to 4 drops of black color, of which I wanted my cream butter to be black, but unfortunately it turned on to be gray, but still it looks nice. So if you need your cream to turn black, you're just going to use a gel color instead of the liquid color, so that you can get a perfect black color, as you can see on what I'm doing in the video. But mine, it turned out to be gray, and there's nothing wrong with it. It still came out nicely, but I didn't expect that. So here are my 2 colors. That is a plain buttercream and a gray buttercream, as you can see in the video. In decoration part, you're going to need a piping bag and a nozzle, as you can see on what I'm doing in the video. I'm just going to cut the piping bag just a little bit, and then I'm going to place in the nozzle. And when placing in the cream, you can use a cup to make it better, or you can also use your hand to place in your buttercream. And my gray buttercream is ready. You can decorate any decoration or any ideas you want. You can also place it in cookies, cakes, and so on. And if you also want to see on how I decorate a cake, please make sure to turn on your post notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos when I post. And here we are, we're going to place our plain buttercream into the piping bag, and my plain buttercream is also ready. You can decorate any ideas you want. You can decorate in a cake, cookies, or anything you prefer. And if you also want to get both colors in decorating ideas, you're going to need a bigger nozzle, and later on you're also going to need a foil paper, that is colorless foil paper, and place the foil paper on a bowl. Then you're going to line up 2 cream, that is plain buttercream or any color you'd prefer, like what I'm doing in the video. Just line up the 2 creams as you can see on what I'm doing in the video, and then you're going to fold them. After folding the foil paper, as you can see to what I did on my video, you're going to cut on the last ends and place it into the piping bag, as you can see to what I'm doing. And lastly, you're going to decorate any decoration that you'd like. It can be roses or any ideas you have in your head. So thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you like it. If you like this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notification bell, and comment down below after you are done on what you think of these ideas. You can also follow me on my social medias, and bye guys.